Storj has the best cloud storage. Here's why. The Storj coin is an ERC20 Ethereum token that drives the Storj decentralized cloud storage network. This platform enables you to rent out your hard drive space to others linked to the Storj network. This video will outline the story of the Storj cryptocurrency project, explore whether or not Storj is a viable investment, and offer some price forecasts. Let's get started. What's Storj? Storj is a blockchain-based coin that powers a decentralized system for storing digital files. The only purpose of the Storj crypto is its need for payments, and it's used to power the nodes or computers that make up the Storj network. Storj and Storj Labs, the company in charge of the project, were established by Sean Wilkinson and John Quinn in 2014. In addition to publishing several white papers that year, the Storj team also staged a public crowd sale that collected 910 Bitcoin, equivalent to $461,802 at the time. The Storj cryptocurrency's initial release was known as Storj Coin X. After it was abandoned in 2017, Storj Labs launched an initial coin offering to raise $30 million for its new Storj coins in May of 2017. If you're wondering whether or not it was a scam that rug pulled, no it wasn't, because through December 2017, owners of SGCX were able to exchange their tokens into Storj at a ratio of 1:1. A production version of Storj was made available to the general public in December 2019, following a number of development and alpha releases. Since it's essentially a paid cloud storage service, customers pay for storage space with a Storj token, an ERC20 token that operates on the Ethereum network. With more than $264 million in total market value as of the beginning of July 2022, Storj is one of the top 150 digital currencies. What makes Storj special is the fact that it was created specifically to address issues with cloud data storage. Cloud-native apps, software distribution, backups, video storage, and streaming are a few examples of the use cases for it. Similar to other cloud storage services, users can pay to upload their data over and above the free tier. Additionally, because the Storj cryptocurrency runs on the Ethereum network, it's available for purchase, sale, and exchange to anybody who has an Ethereum wallet. While some cryptocurrencies are referred to as meme coins with little to no real-world applications, Storj is a component of a long-term business strategy. Storj could have a higher chance of long-term success than certain other cryptocurrencies because of this. In order to increase file storage performance across the network, Storj recently announced its third major version. This is encouraging for Storj's future since it'll probably continue to be maintained and supported. Because, let's be real, long-term support for a product or service is something customers really want. This is part of the reason why so many people prefer iOS over Android, because when it comes to updates, most Android phones receive up to 3 years of updates, while Apple pushes out updates for up to 5 years. How is Storj different from others? Filecoin is the biggest storage-related cryptocurrency by market capitalization. While both Storj and Filecoin provide distributed storage systems, they differ slightly from one another. In some aspects, it's similar to comparing Amazon S3 cloud storage with Dropbox. Both provide reputable storage options, but one may be more suitable than the other for some people. One of the key distinctions between the two is that Storj is an Ethereum-based currency, but Filecoin runs on its own blockchain. Storj pays all users depending on their efforts, but Filecoin adopts a method where users are more likely to get a mining incentive when they offer more storage space. If it's wealthy or after, running a storage node at home probably won't make you rich unless you have a lot of storage space. But the good part is that anyone who owns a computer, has an internet connection, and meets the system requirements can use the Storj network to generate income, albeit not that much. The amount you make, however, fluctuates depending on a number of variables. But then again, you might not turn a profit if you take power, bandwidth, and hardware costs into consideration. What makes Storj unique? The thing that makes Storj unique is that it has a different strategy from standard cloud storage providers, which run their own data centers. Anybody can use it to run the storage software, manage a network node, and provide extra hard drive space. Storj provides customers with a private and secure storage option. Additionally, it offers a means for users of the network to be compensated for any unused storage space using the Storj utility token. In comparison to other cloud storage networks, Storj offers specific benefits. For one thing, Storj automatically encrypts your files before uploading them when you use them. The information is then divided into 80 pieces and sent to 80 distinct nodes on a worldwide network, each of which has a different operator. In the case that one or more nodes go down, Storj requires just 29 of the 80 pieces in order to decrypt your data. Plus, when too many portions of a file are lost, the Storj network also provides an automated repair procedure that fixes them with a good margin of safety. There are 3 essential parts to the Storj network: storage nodes, uplinks, and satellites. Any device that complies with the storage requirements can be used as a storage node to store and return data. The software that uploads and downloads data is called the uplink. This program is run on the computers of storage customers. Lastly, the satellites perform a bunch of tasks and act as a bridge between the storage nodes and the uplinks. These involve paying storage nodes, assigning which storage nodes will store which data, and managing the reputation database for storage. Together, the three components enable private and secure data storage on the storage network. Here's how the storage process works when a client uploads their data. The client's uplink receives authorization from its satellite to store the data, and Storage DCS automatically encrypts the data. The satellite then searches for 80 storage nodes to store the data once the encrypted data is divided into 80 encrypted parts. Storage regularly analyzes storage nodes and keeps track of how long they are down. Each node has an online score based on this data as well as an audit score. Additionally, a node will be banned or barred from hosting on the storage network if it fails too many audits or stays down for an extended period of time. Storage has also formed a number of partnerships with companies that need storage. Here are a handful of storage collaborators so you can get a sense of who it works with. The Internet Archive partnered with Storage to store its LibraryVox audio collection of free public domain audiobooks. And they're not the only ones. Lumia, a technology startup that equips common objects with intelligence, teamed up with Storage to store data gathered by smart devices, and a database platform called MongoDB enables its users to easily back up their data to tardigrade backup from Storage. Conclusion. While the advantages are obvious, the same cannot be said for its storage crypto tokens, at least for token holders. Storage is exclusively intended to compensate for storage nodes. The network's payments would be significantly more difficult and expensive if it didn't have its own coin. Because there are storage nodes all around the world, Storage would need to deliver small, frequent payments in a variety of currencies. Other than paying for storage on Storage, token holders have no use for them. Storage cannot be staked to generate big rewards like with most cryptocurrencies, and it doesn't function as a governance token that allows you to cast votes for which direction the project should take. Nonetheless, Storage offers a good storage solution, but operating a node demands not only having extra storage capacity, but also a fast and dependable internet connection. The Storage token's potential as an investment may be capped because it's not a critical element of that service for the customer. The fact that Storage provides an awesome product is the strongest factor in its favor. When compared to other established cloud storage providers, its storage keeps your data safe and completely private to everyone except you. There are several decentralized storage systems with their own coins, most notably Filecoin, Arweave, and Siacoin. Checking them out to compare them to Storage might be worthwhile. But if you're still interested in adding Storage in particular to your investment portfolio, it's currently being traded at 66 cents at the end of June 2022, with a price prediction of $1.5 by the end of this year according to GovCapital. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Please also leave a comment below to tell us what you think about Storage. If you're interested in knowing about what's happening around Terra Luna, consider checking out our video on its latest updates and strategies with Luna 2.0.